Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. This morning we're going to show you how to use a piston pin puller. You can usually push them out by hand, but every once in a while the piston pin, which is the pin that goes through the piston and holds it to the connecting rod, gets varnished into the cylinder, into the piston, and it just doesn't want to move. And so that's when you need a mechanical device. And so we've lined this one up so that the piston pin is coming out the other side, and basically it's just a big screw, and as you ratchet it, let me get a ratchet. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And the tool you see here is a piston pin puller, and this happens when the piston pins get so varnished into a piston from a long run that they don't want to push out. And we could drive them out with a mallet and a wooden dowel, but we bought this tool from Aircraft Sprues and we're going to give it a whirl. Basically it's just a big screw that's going to push the piston pin right out. We've got it in an impact driver. This works a lot easier, and you can Now we'll back the tool out, just like that, remove it. So anyway, it pushes the piston pin out fairly easily. Still can't quite push it out. I'll have to drive it the rest of the way out with the tool, but meanwhile I'm going to get the piston pin off of the connecting rod and we'll go on from there. Stand by. So as you can see, here's the piston pins that are out of the piston. And so look at the tube. It's just a big horseshoe shaped clamp, an exit hole for the piston pin on the other side, and a threaded rod to push it out. One thing when you're working with the pulling these cylinders is you've got if you'll notice there's a nice slice on my thumb. This is from the top compression ring of the number 4 cylinder. It is razor sharp. It got me on my other hand yesterday just touching it. So be very careful. And also too, we're putting rags underneath the connecting rod so they don't hit the metal case. We'll be banding these always up in bubble wrap and getting this engine be shipped to Lycon, sans the cylinders and pistons to keep the weight down, because the pistons and cylinders we have now are absolutely worthless. So anyway, we hope you find this informative, and thanks for watching.